Long has been in business since 1965, and we've always done stuff like this.
This is our open house event, and this is an opportunity for our employees to come together with our customers in the same space, enjoy the latest and greatest in our technology, celebrate and being able to get back to work.
Carnival theme, there's a dunk tank, everyone has different games going on, prizes. It's a good theme, it's kind of easy to hit for everybody.
We're here, hopefully we learn a little bit, but hopefully we just get to have a little fun together.
When I first started, I came here not knowing anything about HVAC, and this is the perfect opportunity for us to learn about stuff.
It's like 43 factory visits all in one day, so it's really special.
I'm a big believer in relationships, and it's an instant connection rather than just always over email or whatnot. And also too, it's a casual, fun event, so you get to, know their personal side too, not just through their work.
We're lucky to have Long as a great partner of ours, and just happy to be here participating and getting to show some appreciation to their great customers that they have as well.
The culture is the most unique you could think of. Crazy, fun, energetic. It's the most wonderful place in the world to work. I'll be a lifer. And yeah, thanks for coming to our open house.